win BGT 4-1 or 3-1. So that's the bottom line. आपको अगले 3 टेस्ट मैच जीतने ही जीतने हैं. If we win 3-2, India qualifies. If Sri Lanka, India qualifies 4-1, 3-1 on its own, right? On its own steam. Win BGT 3-2, India qualifies. If Sri Lanka beat Australia in one of 2 test matches, if BGT 2-2, India qualifies. If Sri Lanka beat Australia 2-0. If India lose BGT 2-3, India qualifies. If Pakistan beats South Africa 2-0 and Australia beat Sri Lanka in one of 2 test matches, Pakistan beating South Africa 2-0 तो होने नहीं वाला है, तो छोड़ दो लास्ट वाला तो आप. Pankaj, we have to win, right? We first have to turn around our game, turn around our batting, our bowling, and then we have to win.
It looks extremely difficult in the road to WTC for India, because normally what happens is after this series we usually had some test series or 2 test series or 3 test series at home in the month of Feb, March, which could have helped us to kind of come back and we are there in the finals time. But
with the spin-friendly wickets. With the spin-friendly wickets.
Yeah, and that time then the opposition does not have an undue advantage. So वो सब चलता है. But India, I think from a planning perspective is with the back to the walls. It's looking very difficult. Though the next 3 test matches are going to be absolutely phenomenal, and that 3-2-2-3 kind of thing. And I think Sydney, if I'm not mistaken, I was reading Sydney is something which can save us, because there's a washout kind of a probability in terms of rain. I mean, that's a different story, but that was just a heads up. But that is the only thing. But again, सारी दुनिया का बोझ हम उठाते हैं. आप कुछ करें तब हमारा ये होगा. It's not a good scenario for India.
Okay, GD, very quickly, not looking good for India at the moment. If they need to win all the 2 of the 3 remaining test matches to have a chance. So, considering the performance in Adelaide, थोड़ा सा expectation अब कम हो जाएगा.
GG or me?
Okay.
Yeah. I think the third scenario is the only scenario I think which can work in India's favor. Like that somehow we manage a 2-2, one game walkout or on a placid wicket, somehow a draw, and then this Australia 2-0 शायद नहीं हारेगा. वो एक मैच हार भी सकता है, but वही मेरे को लग रहा है कि we will miss it by a whisker. We'll
see how it plays out. Gigi, anything you want to add here?
प्रभात जयसूर्या जो है उसके ऊपर बहुत कुछ डिपेंड हो रहा है, मुझे तो लग रहा है जिस तरह से 2 ऑल हो जाएगा. ठीक है, प्रभात जयसूर्या और गॉल, मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि वो अपनी फिंगर्स अपने जादू चलाएंगे और हम मतलब 8-8 विकेट लेंगे दोनों इनिंग में, और ऑस्ट्रेलिया जो है वो हार जाएगा एक इनिंग से. गॉल के राजा है.
Basically, India's WTC aspirations depend on Jasprit Bumrah and Prabhat Jayasuriya. Let's just be honest. Let's just be honest.